That would be pretty cool, but we don't have that yet.
Or detail, using the most digitally mapped in 3 dimensions in Washington. Extraordinary detail using a 3D printer. The photo shoot for this used 50 custom-built LEDs, 8 sports photography cameras, and 6 wide-angle cameras to gather the data needed for the 3D image.
What's happening here is you have a bath of liquid resin that solidifies when light hits it. So the platform dips into this resin, and as it rises up, you have a projector underneath the resin pool that's projecting a series of cross-sectional images that are in the exact shape of the object you want to make. So as the platform slowly moves upwards, the projector moves through the different images, the different cross-sections, and that causes the object to form in the shape you want. Wherever there's ultraviolet light hitting it, that's where the plastic solidifies. So this could be a big deal because it's a lot faster than conventional 3D printers. It works in minutes instead of hours. Right now, 3D printing is still kind of a niche industry. People use models, prototypes, but it's just